Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. HCMC, Healthier Choice Management System. Well, what a week we have been having. So I'm gonna delete all the charts because I want to start refresh and start with where we at, right? So when we had this pullback yesterday and came back at highs of 0.009. I wanted to share with you guys that I sold my shares. Didn't make any profit, didn't make any loss, but the reason is being that of the downtrend where we're facing. Doesn't mean that I don't believe in this company. I have, but on this, in terms of investing my money, I really want to be sure that I'm doing the right thing, right? So moving forward, the next support that I was looking at, I wanted to share with you guys, since it came to 0.07, very high likely we might test the low of 0.04, right? And then since the 0.07 has acted as a support recently, for the recent time being, I'm gonna keep watching it moving forward, because there's something caught my eye when it dropped to that level and quickly moved up because the buyers got stepped in, right? Because we are facing a massive sell-off still going on, folks. Still going on. See, this is the sell-off still going on, and we are not finding a support. Definitely, right? We came to our 200-day moving average, right? You'll see we came to our 200-day moving average. The pink line acted as a support for numerous times, and we fell through, trading below our 60-day moving average and so forth, right? The selling pressure, we are on the oversold territory, right? So that's why if the shares drop again at 0.007, I'm gonna load up shares, and my next plan is at 0.0004. So that's something that I wanted to share with you guys, right? Was my plan to see if it drops to that level. It did, and they recovered quickly. It giving me a clear indication that more downtrend is intended to come, right? I know some of you guys definitely don't want to hear what I'm trying to say, but I'm here to share my thoughts, my views, what I'm doing it, right? Doesn't mean that you guys have to do it, not a final advisor, but I had a plan moving forward that, okay, if it drops to this point, I'm going to do that. Because if I go back to 6 months, right? If I go quickly to the 6 months, you have seen time and time that it acted 0.009 as a support, right? Now 0.009 is acting as a resistance right now, right? For the time being. So the two loading zone that I'm seeing it is 0.007 and all the way 0.004 moving forward. Even the RSI, right? On the 6 months 4-hour time frame, RSI is an oversold territory, and with the days that, and it's pretty much the MACD is pretty flat, right? We all know about Philip Morris, what's the lawsuit is gonna be, and everybody is pinned into it to see the outcome on it. I'm with you guys too, right? I definitely want to see, but we also want to know the growth, right? What else they're doing it. We had the information news came out about Denver in Canada for the Q Cup, but we need some more information, more growth, more news in order to push this price up. But we are approached to a level that it will be something to watch at 0.007 and 0.004, right? Maybe 0.004 never gonna come to the play, but 0.007, since it's came it most likely come back again to test it and go back again. So I just wanted to share my thought with you guys. This is what I'm seeing it. This is something that we need to be very be careful and aware of it and have a plan, right? If you guys have your plan how to load up shares, I'm sure everybody has their own plan on what to do with that. But once I'm seeing this downtrend pattern and it's constantly making lower lows and lower highs at the same time, it gives me a plan that, okay, it's coming to a point where I need to load up shares, but in order to do that, I need to sell all my shares. Didn't make any profit, didn't take any loss, it was just a break even, but I just wanted to make sure that I can get more shares during this time and stuff, right? Or I could just make a wrong call and just throughout the throughout these couple of days, it might just shoot up back again to 0.11 test 0.0011 and 0.0013, right? I could be definitely wrong, but I just wanted to have my plan share with you guys definitely on that, right? The last what I read about the Filipino news that August, in mid-August, we're supposed to get a petition reviewed, and the decision made on the petition responded back by the HCMC attorneys. So we'll see on that. But overall, solid company, but doesn't mean that always the stock price helps to react on that, right? Well, like I said, we just the reason what decided me to do that, because once we came at the last time around in January at 0.0017 level, we had a massive run up again, right? So that's why that's a history. History intends to repeat itself. It doesn't mean it has to, but I wanted to share with you guys, because when I go all the way back to the chart, I was like, this is what could be the loading zone back again. Time and time acted as a 0.009, like I said, as a massive support, and we break out. Now we are breaking through on the 0.009 as our massive resistance right now. So overall, the company's growth in future, I'm not worried about it. I just need to make more news, more updates, what's going on. Very poorly done by right now, because they're not providing any update on that, which makes sense, right? It definitely makes sense when it comes to a low, so you definitely want to see what's going on that. So I'm going to have this triangular pattern to see how are we going to trade in between that, or we break out on that. Breakout, I'm excited for you guys, right? What's going to happen if it comes to 0.007. I'm going to load up shares, and I'm going to show you guys what I did on the next video. But overall, if you look at the 1 month, right, definitely a downtrend, right? On the highs of 0.0011 all the way low of 0.007. So definitely something we gotta watch, and I wanted to share with you guys, right? Have a plan, folks. Market is recovering today. Have a plan. What do you guys think about it? If I made the wrong decision, comment down below. I love to hear your guys' thoughts. I love comments what you guys have on that. But I wanted to share with you guys, because we are approaching to a loading zone at 0.0007, which I'll be adding up more shares on that. That's all I have, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification so you guys can constantly be updated. Looks like the market is slowly and barely recovering. SPY is really recovering right now in the massive form. So I just really wanted to share with you guys how they're doing it and how we're going to plan out. That's all I have, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the week of trading. Please don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. Thank you very much.